Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Arabic Language Academy. Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaban bikum. In this lesson, we are going to learn Huroof Shamsiyyah wal Qamariyyah, the sun and moon letters, inshallah. In Arabic, the consonants are divided into two groups: the sun letters, Huroof Shamsiyyah, and moon letters, Huroof Qamariyyah. This classification is based on whether or not they assimilate the definite article al. When the definite article is assimilated into the sun letters and it loses its distinctive sound, as a result, the sound at the beginning of the word is doubled, given shadda. Example, ash-shamsu. Whereas the definite article retains its distinctive sound when it comes before one of the moon letters. Example, al-qamaru. Now let's learn both moon and sun letters. The sun letters, Huroof Shamsiyyah. Ta, fa, dal, dhal, را ز سين شين صاد ضاد طاء ظاء لام نون. And moon letters Huroof Qamariyyah are alif, ba, jim, ha, خاء عين غين فاء قاف كاف ميم حاء واو يا. Now let's give example for both moon and sun letters separately. First, moon letters Huroof Qamariyyah. Alif, al-abu. As we see, we pronounce lam and we don't skip it. Alif, al-abu. Ba, al-babu. Jim, al-jannatu. Ha, al-himaru. Kha, al-khubzu. عين العين. غين الغداء. فاء الفم. قاف القمر. كاف الكلب. ميم الماء. و الولد. الهواء. يا اليد. Now the sun letters Huroof Shamsiyyah. Ta, at-tinu. As you see in the example, we skip lam and we give shadda to the letter after lam. At-tinu. Fa, الثوب. دال الديك. ذال الذهب. را الرجل. زا الزهرة. سين السمك. شين الشمس. صاد السورة. ضاد الضيف. طا الطالب. ظا الظهر. لام اللحم. نون النجم. See you next lesson. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.